Beets aren't just a colorful root, they're a scientifically proven way to boost your health after 50. Today, I'll share 3 powerful benefits, some surprising research facts, and a delicious beet smoothie recipe you can try at home. As we age, our blood vessels can stiffen, raising blood pressure. Beets are rich in nitrates. Your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels. A study in the journal Hypertension found that a daily glass of beet juice lowered blood pressure by an average of 7 to 8 points. This effect is comparable to some medications. By drinking beet juice or eating roasted beets, you can help your heart work more easily and naturally. Reduced blood flow to the brain can impact memory and focus. The nitric oxide from beets increases circulation to the frontal lobe, the area responsible for memory and decision-making. A Wake Forest University study showed older adults who drank beet juice before exercise had brain scans resembling much younger individuals. Regular beet intake may help protect our cognitive function as we age. As we grow older, mitochondrial efficiency declines. Mitochondria are the powerhouses in our cells. Beets contain betalains, which are antioxidants that fight inflammation and support liver detox. Research in the Journal of Applied Physiology discovered that beet juice improved muscle efficiency. This allows people to use up to 20% less oxygen during exercise. More energy means you can enjoy walks, workouts, or just life without feeling drained. Now here's a scientific recipe that's both tasty and powerful. For your beet smoothie, gather these ingredients: 1 medium beet, cooked or raw and peeled. This lowers blood pressure and boosts stamina. 1 apple, rich in fiber, supports digestion, and helps control blood sugar. 1/2 cup blueberries, loaded with anthocyanins, proven to slow brain aging. 1 small piece of ginger, a natural anti-inflammatory that supports joint health. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt or a dairy-free option for protein and probiotics. 1/2 cup water or coconut water for hydration and electrolytes. Blend all the ingredients until smooth, chill, and enjoy. You have a nutrient powerhouse in a glass. Whether it's for your heart, your brain, or just boosting your daily energy, the science is clear. Beets are a game changer after 50. Try this smoothie and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for joining me on At Her One Energetic Advantage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use a natural health boost. This video is for educational purposes only and not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making diet changes, especially if you're on medication. Stay healthy, stay energetic, and bye-bye for now.